Vadodara, the third largest city in the state of Gujarat, spread across 200 square miles, gets its name due to the numerous vad trees that it houses. With the population of more than 20 lakh people, the city is called Sayaji Nagari, as it reached its pinnacle during the rule under Maharaja Sayaji Rao Gaikwad. Atladara in Vadodara has been one of the most prominent places of the city, thanks to the commercial establishments, housing societies, hotels and restaurants that it houses. However, it also imbibes in itself an abandoned dump site spanning 17 acres, which was used for dumping municipal solid waste for 20 years. Once the dump site was full, the Vadodara Municipal Corporation decided to reclaim it using biomining technology under the Swachh Bharat mission in 2018. After calling upon a tender, the work was awarded to an India-based Zigma Global Environment Solutions Private Limited and South Korea-based Forcebel Company Limited. The dump site initially housed hills of waste and was an eyesore with birds and animals scavenging on them. The estimated quantity was about 3 lakh tons, and the target was to reclaim the dump site within a period of 2 years, completely with near zero residues. Clear timelines were provided to the company for each activity, and the land was earmarked for setting up of plant and machineries. With a goal to complete the reclamation by December 2019, the ambitious project of biomining began. The companies designed and manufactured an immensely robust, rugged and mobile machinery both in Korea and India, and began the commercial operations in July 2018. The machinery had an installed capacity of processing 40 metric ton of legacy waste per hour, with a running capability of about 22 hours in a day. The machines were also housed under a semicircle dome structure for maintaining ambient work environment for the operators. Landfill biomining has 3 steps, namely pre-assessment and stabilization, processing and segregation, and responsible disposal of aggregates. Under the first step, primarily, the dump site is assessed by carrying out drone-based contour surveys, which throws light on 2 important things: volume of the waste dumped, topography of the site. Secondly, the present status of the dump site is diagnosed by carrying out a baseline study, a complete study involving underground, upstream and downstream water quality, leachate, soil contamination and characteristics of the waste is undertaken using subject matter experts. While this is going on, the pre-stabilization of the waste is undertaken by converting the haphazardly dumped legacy waste into equisized windrows on a top-down approach for aeration. The windrows are then sprayed with bioculture inoculum and deodorizer and turned continuously using the excavators. The pre-stabilization process ensures that the waste is free from flies and odor. Trapped gases like methane and ammonia escapes, completely decompose organic content, bring moisture down to 25%, subdue any pathogenic activity, avoid generation of leachate. Typically, the whole process takes anything between 2 to 4 months. The second step is processing and segregation, wherein the legacy waste is sorted into combustible material, incombustible soil fraction and incombustible stone fractions. The stabilized legacy waste is excavated from the windrows, transported to the sorting station, and the excavator feeds this waste into an automatic feeding hopper. Combustible materials, also called the RDF, is used by the cement companies as alternate fuel resource. The entire plant is well equipped with a state-of-the-art SCADA and PLC monitoring control systems, which enables remote monitoring of sites. The high-definition bullet and pan-tilt zoom cameras placed inside the plants enable round-the-clock surveillance from a central command center. Daily aggregate samples are collected and sent for analysis in NABL and MOEF and CC-accredited laboratories for all parameters as prescribed in the SWM Rules 2016 and checked for adherence before they are disposed. Monthly adherence levels of air quality, noise levels, leachate, water quality are also analyzed inside the plant area. A state-of-the-art ERP system with a user ID and password is provided to the urban or local bodies, which enables live streaming of the plant, updation of weighbridge readings with pictures of vehicles, and phase-wise before and after images, along with a whole lot of other features for maintaining complete transparency in operations. The entire process adheres to all the guidelines as prescribed in the SWM Rules 2016, CPHEEO guidelines for MSWM 2016 and CPCB. As a result of biomining, Atladara's dump hillocks have now nearly vanished and it is now a sight to see. More than 12 acres out of 17 acres has already reclaimed and there is no smell of foul odor. The vision that the Vadodara Municipal Corporation envisaged is nearing its reality, where it is now certain that the entire land will be reclaimed and put to alternate use by December 2019.